Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming your Windows version, because the method differs. Once done, unlock the taskbar so you can move it. Right-click the bar and clear lock the taskbar. Then open Settings Personalization taskbar to see built-in controls. For Windows 10, you'll be able to drag immediately. For Windows 11, the built-in UI limits vertical placement, so make sure you're ready to use a supported workaround if needed. Make sure to save any open work before continuing. Now perform the actual move. On Windows 10, click and drag the Unlock taskbar to the top edge and release. The system will snap it there. On Windows 11, built-in options won't move it. Instead, install a lightweight utility like Explorer Patcher or Start All Back, enable the top position in its settings, and restart Explorer. If you prefer manual registry edits, back up the registry first and follow a trusted guide. Proceed carefully, because registry changes affect Explorer. Finish by locking the taskbar again so it stays put. Right-click and check lock the taskbar. Once done, restart Windows Explorer or reboot to ensure settings apply. Make sure to test icons and context menus to confirm nothing broke. If the taskbar won't stay at the top, restore your registry backup or uninstall the third-party tool, then run sfc/scano and reboot. If problems continue, use a system restore point created before changes, and make smaller changes next time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.